Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft connection timed out error. First, you need to flush your DNS. This helps clear old or broken network data. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Wait a few seconds until it completes, then close the window. Next, fix your system time. Wrong time settings can stop Minecraft from connecting to servers. Right-click on the time on your taskbar, then select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure the time zone is correct. After that, click Sync Now to update your system clock. Now check your Windows Firewall settings. Sometimes it blocks Minecraft from accessing the internet. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Start menu. Open it, then click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Find Java and Minecraft in the list. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked. Save the changes before closing. Finally, restart your internet devices. Turn off your modem and router, wait about 30 seconds, then turn them back on. This refreshes your network connection and can fix hidden issues. After completing all these steps, restart your computer and try launching Minecraft again. Thanks for watching.